Many statistical tests involve mean comparisons. This video provides an overview of some of the basic tests of this type. Let's consider some examples. Suppose a researcher is interested in determining whether the graduating loan debt of UB School of Dental Medicine graduates is the same as that of the national average. This involves comparing a sample mean debt of a sample of graduating UB dental students, to a known value, the national average. Or suppose a dental researcher wants to know if there is a difference in tensile bond strength between two dental cementing agents. For each agent, the researcher would test a sample of bonded restorations and calculate a mean bond for each group. Suppose that an orthodontist wanted to compare the mesiodistal inclination of tooth number 8 in a sample of patients before and after a certain type of treatment. He would calculate the mean inclination in degrees before and after treatment in order to make this comparison. Finally, suppose that a public health policy researcher is interested in whether the average cost of dental treatment in the U.S. varies by geographic area. To address this question, the researcher would need to draw samples from each of these 7 areas in order to get an estimate of mean treatment cost. Each of these situations involves a test of mean differences, but each entails a different statistical test. The first 3 examples all involve t-tests. A t-test is used in 3 different situations. When comparing one sample mean to a known standard, as in the student debt example, when comparing 2 unrelated or independent means, as in the example of bond strength of 2 cementing agents, and when comparing 2 means that come from the same source and are therefore related, as in the effect of orthodontic treatment. The cost of treatment by geographic region is an example of analysis of variance, or ANOVA. ANOVA is used when comparing means from more than 2 independent groups. The next 2 videos will explore t-tests and analysis of variance in more detail.